the question is, how do you calculate the square feet of a room, right? Especially if you're working in the room, you want to lay carpet, you want to lay tiles. How do you know the square feet you're working with? And especially if the room has a closet, you need to consider the closet as well as part of the space that you're going to be working with, right? So it's very important to understand this point. So let's take a look at the formula. It's a very easy formula, and the formula is right here. Width times length equals to square feet. That's what it is. Width times length equals to square feet. Now here is the width. This is the room we are working with, right? And it has a closet right here. This is the closet of the room, and this is the room we are working with. And this is the width of the room. This point to this point is the width, and the width is 9 feet. And the door to the room is here, right? So the width is 9 feet. From this point to this point is 9 feet. Now we have to look at the length of the room. And this is the length of the room right here, right? And the length is 12 feet. So now we have the square footage of the room, right? So again, the calculation is width times length equals to square feet. So let's come to this point here on top here. So we have the square feet of the room is 9 times 12 equals to 108 square feet. That's the square footage of the room. So now you have to consider the closet, and we do the same calculation exactly as we did with the room. Width is on the side and length is on the side. The width is 2.5 feet and the length of the closet is 4 feet. So we have the calculation here. Square feet of the closet is 2.5 times 4 equals to 10 square feet. That is the space of the closet, 10 square feet of the closet. So now to get the total square feet of the room, you add the square foot of the room and the closet. That gives you the total square feet you're working with, right? So here we have total square feet is room plus closet equals to 108 plus 10 equals to 118 square feet. That is the square footage of the room plus closet. Now you have the exact number to work with. If you're laying tiles, you're putting carpet, you know the exact square footage you're working with. That's how you calculate the square foot of a room. And again, if the room has closet, you have to consider that as well, and you have to measure the closet separately from the room. Again, you use the same formula, width times length. That gives you the space for the closet. You add that space to the space for the room. You have the total square footage of the room plus closet.